Today, we're flying from Tokyo to Seattle on JAL in business class. First, we're taking the Narita Express from Shinagawa to Narita Airport. From Shinagawa, a ticket costs 3,250 yen for an ordinary car and 4,020 yen for a first class. The Narita Express is reserved seating only, and we chose the ordinary seats. The journey to Narita Airport takes approximately 1 hour. The Narita Express also departs from Shinjuku, Shibuya, Yokohama, and several other stations. Since we're flying in international business class, we had access to the JAL Sakura Lounge. We will be boarding flight JL 68, a Boeing 787-9 departing at 6:10 p.m. Business class seats are in a 2-2-2 configuration, a total of 44 seats on this aircraft. The flight duration to Seattle is 8.5 hours. The amenities included a smartphone stand and a USB charging cable. Between international and Japanese cuisine, I chose Japanese. I ordered the yuzu-flavored ramen from the a la carte menu. I also enjoyed a glass of Kanoski single malt whiskey. Before landing, I had an egg sandwich and a cup of coffee. It was a long 8.5-hour journey, but thanks to business class, I was able to travel comfortably. From Seattle, we will fly to Minneapolis on American Airlines. Since we have some time before our connecting flight, we're relaxing in this lounge. I booked our tickets from Narita to Minneapolis using American Airlines miles. It costs 60,000 miles per person plus $50.91 in taxes. Without using miles, the ticket would have been around 1 million yen. Since we were flying in JAL Business Class, which is part of the One World Alliance, we were able to use the Alaska Airlines Lounge in Seattle. It was domestic first class on the way to Minneapolis. On this flight, I tried the in-flight burger for the first time. It wasn't bad at all.